Welcome to day 17 of the How to Attract Anything challenge. Today I want to speak specifically about something that I call the rule of 5. I learned this from my mentor Jack Canfield, who actually every single day wrote 5 things towards his most important goal. Firstly, he identified that his most important goal was actually making his book successful, Chicken Soup for the Soul. So every day he used to do 5 things towards that, whether it was speaking to the publisher or sending the book to the Oprah Book Club, or sending it as a gift to his aunt, or promoting it at airports, or requesting some bookshops to keep it. Every day 5 things for 18 months he did that, and at the end of it he actually got into the Guinness Book of World Record for the maximum number of books written under one topic, under one title. So that was so fabulous. So when we do something with that kind of laser focus in our life, attracting anything will become easy. So I want you today to identify what is going to be your number one goal this year. What's going to be that big, hairy, audacious goal that when you look at, you should laugh with excitement and laugh with the stupidity of even having a dream as big as that. Right? Sometimes we have to laugh at our own selves, because when we set our big vision, it's because we don't know how to achieve it. Sometimes it looks very unrealistic and we feel like, oh my God, am I being too ambitious? No, I want you to know that if the goal is not ambitious, it's very hard to build the enthusiasm to attract it. So I need your goal to be a little bigger. It should be a stretch goal, not a realistic goal, not an outrageous goal, but a stretched goal. From realism, increase it by 50% and then try to achieve that goal. Those kind of goals actually build excitement, yet feel realistic enough. Like it's possible if I put in my 100%. That's the kind of goal I'd love for you to set today. And then think of the 5 things that you need to do to achieve that. Then every single day, put it in your action steps to do those 5 things every day. Come up with a new 5 things or repeat those 5 things, whatever is required, and you will start to watch that this strategy truly just takes you on a journey of success. I have done it in my life, Jack did it in his life, and I know a lot of achievers who follow this strategy. Do try it out. It's called the rule of 5. 5 things towards your one mission, because urgent things get done. Important things, because some of us don't have bosses, never get done. They turn into when I have the time. When I have the time, I will do them. Today we know in the situation we are in life, there's never going to be time. It's always going to be about the discipline of doing it. So get into the discipline. Comment below your mission for the year, or your goal for the year, or the BHAG, whatever you want to call it, and then the 5 things that you're going to do this year to achieve that. Looking forward to reading yours.